Yeah, viewers all over the world, my name's Chukwudogedeme when I'm afọ ọzọ m Ogbuefi Ezeana ugochitubelu. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ gbagha famili emerụkwazị ọrụ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission na onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Isiokwu anyị bụ all you need to know about spiritual world. All you need to know about spiritual world. Yes. Abịa m ka m kọwara gị na enwere ụwa mmụọ. Enwere the world of the spirit. Where the spirit dwells. Where the spirit rules. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ebelivuru, ụfọdụ belivuru na onye nwụọsi buru nne ya na ekwu maka mmụọ bụ fairy tales. Ụfọdụ ebelivu ihe niile ends here. Yes, but I can tell you with fact now ọ bụrụ etu awa ka ụwa dị. We are living in the spirit world. Anyị bi n'ụwa mmụọ. And the Obu recognize here the existence of these spirits. I get so many things beyond human comprehension. And with so many mysteries, even in this gross material, even in the ethereal world, the cosmic realms, with so many mysteries. And it's only when you accept their existence, you'll be able to benefit from their wisdom and knowledge. And even from their help, their gift, they will be able to bless you abundantly and reveal more. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. Don't forget that we are in the new month, June. You can still join us anywhere you are all over the world in our monthly rituals. If you are interested in joining our monthly rituals, what you have to do is to chat me on WhatsApp, forward your 3 prayer requests, then make token donation to the account number. This morning I have gone to the temple to make rituals and prayers upon the lives of those that join us. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. We keep doing this till the last of the month. We started this group rituals over 4 years now. We have massive testimonies, but as you all know, we don't share testimonies. But for us, it's not necessary, not why we are here. But I can tell you that we are. So if actually you want to join us in this month's rituals, chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is on your screen, 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672. Ihe ndị a nọmba ndị ise ndị meseji ya anyị ga-enwe ike mara etu anyị ga-esi wee adịghị na the group rituals. Then ọ bụkwazi dị chọrọ personal rituals, prayers, you can still reach me on that WhatsApp number. Now, like I said before, ndị niile soyela anyị na nke ọnwa gara aga enwetachago nchịkọta ya bụ ihe aja. Then ndị niile ga-esoyekwara anyị na nke ọnwa ga-enwetakwa nke ha. Now, ka anyị proceed ya na ihe anyị ji maka ebe topic of the day. Enwere ụwa mmụọ. Yes. Nwee ụwa mmadụ. In this gross material world, bụ ụwa mmụọ na ụwa mmadụ. In the land of the living, in the physical gross material world, ị na-afụ anya. Mana enwere ọtụtụ ihe ndị ị na-afụ anya. And it's only when you are permitted, you'll be able to perceive. They have an atom of idea of what is actually happening. The truth of the matter is that in this gross material world has been in existence thousands of years before human spirit was permitted to be here. No, this gross material world was originally made for the elementals. They are the mystics that have been living here thousands of years before man was sent to this gross material world. In the spiritual realms, there were many realms. kingdoms. Yes. In the spiritual world where human spirit originated from, the spark of Chukwuokepere. That is spirit jam. In that spirit world where human spirit originated, human spirit was unconscious of their even existence. If I ask you, where were you in the last 500 years, you know? If I ask you, where were you in the last 200 years, you know, you don't know. But I can tell you, no human spirit here on earth that is here for the first time. Some of us, some people are here for the second time, some are on the third time, some are on the fourth journey. Yes, you cannot know unless if you are permitted to perceive or to have an encounter with the spirits, the rulers of this gross material world. So it doesn't matter what is happening in the spiritual realm. Sometimes they belittle God by saying God punish you. No. Saying God punish somebody is like belittling God. It's like, are you expecting Chukwuokepere to begin to give punishment to men as in start flogging you? God cannot descend so low to punish you directly. And when millions of angelic forces, whenever you go astray according to those cosmic laws, you will be dealt with. Let me use earthly explanation. We have Mr. President in Asoro. And in this nation, we have laws that govern this nation. Once you go against the nation's law, and when the law enforcement agencies, and when the police are there, they will arrest you, then charge you to court. Court is also arm of government. You face the legal proceedings. At the end of the day, if you are found guilty, go to jail. You will be sent to prison. Yes, the prison warders will make sure that you serve your jail sentence there. They are all chains of government. Etu akọdi, Chukwuokepere in his infinite mercy have created the entire universe and the entire forces. Once you go against the natural forces, the natural beings will deal with you. Those that are in charge of punishing you for going wrong will be there, will be dealt with. It's not Chukwu. If you know whom he is, he can withstand the vibrations. He is from the luminous height. He can't withstand the Ebube Chukwu now. It's not possible. Sometimes some of you are always seeing Chukwu as like your father. Judging Chukwu or saying Chukwu as your father is belittling him. Yes, because your father is very easy for you to have access to. That's why sometimes, and some of you don't even have utmost respect for your father. So sometimes some of you used to curse your father, some of you even to push your father down. So for that reason, some of you don't really have this respect for your parents. So sometimes using Chukwu, using your father to quantify Chukwu, sometimes some of you will be looking at it the same way you looked at your father. Yes, because you keep saying that it's full of Obioma and Obiebere. Forgetting that the same Chukwu who looked at Obioma and Obiebere is still God of justice. So what I can tell you in every spiritual realms, and I will be able to highlight some of them now. The truth of the matter is that there are so many spiritual realms, sometimes in creation, in your entire life, you are not even permitted to have atom of experience with them or interaction with them. Some of these spirits are beyond human comprehension, unless if you are permitted. Sometimes some of you used to have faint idea, maybe during your wandering in the wonderland, light, you'll be able, maybe during your dream, you'll be able to have a faint idea or an encounter with these beings. But I can tell you, there are some people that are opportune, they are privileged, sometimes to have one-on-one encounter with this supernatural being when they are totally awake. Or in one idea, no one didn't the privilege that they used to have what I would call let's say use the word that you are familiar with, heavenly visitors. Have when they are awake, the spirit will visit them. Yeah, don't you know that there are some people that are permitted in creation to have one-on-one interaction with their guardian angel? Don't you know that they were the privilege that they know their guardian angel the way he or she look like? In the spiritual realm, in the spiritual realm from the light region, the spirit has no you can identify them as male and female actually, but for some certain reason, sometimes if they are visiting you in the gross material world, they identify themselves the way we understand here in this gross material. You're using the physique of a woman or a man, yes, but in the real sense, spirit enwere nwoke na nwanyị. Ọ na-abụ o nwere ebe a na-akpọ in the before this gross material, e nwere realm a na-akpọ the ethereal world. In this ethereal world is the like the gateway of this gross material world. Is in the ethereal world that if you want to, it's like that ethereal world is like a waiting arena, the goalpost of gross material world. Is when you reach to the ethereal world, based on your intention of coming to the earth, will determine the earthly cloth, that is the body, the vessel you will take in order to function well in this gross material. If your intention coming to this world is of passive in nature, then you wear the garment of as a feminine. If it's masculine in nature, you wore the garment of that will be in line with masculine nature of your work. So I want to use this thing to explain a little bit, but far beyond the ethereal world, you will not be able to identify any spirit by male and female. No, it's only from the ethereal world and God's material world that is necessary. God's material world is because of the work you are assigned to do, maybe because of procreation. In the spirit world, nothing is there to procreate. Ịghọtara ya? So all ya bata Jizọs ji wee gwa gị na Baịbụl na o nwelụ n'ụwa mmụọ ka a na-ajụ ya kere nwaanyị nụrụ ụmụ nwoke ụmụnne saa anwụsịa owesịa n'ụwa mmụọ kere onye nwaanyị a will be attached as his wife. Owesịa nọ n'ụwa mmadụ ka a na-eme nwoke na nwaanyị, n'ụwa mmụọ enwere ihe dị ka nwoke na nwaanyị. Ntị ọ dị. Now in the spiritual realm, if you are the flame of light visit you, they are not talking about male and female. It's only when the beings from the lower region, from the ethereal world and God's material world visit you, they will come appear as a man. So I want some people will encounter. So anyway, because when they believe on a spirit in may exist, how you know just like that? No. Nke bụ eziokwu na those spirits, ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye bịala ụwa with mmụọ dị elu, they will permit you when they come. You don't need to shiver. You'll be very relaxed. Sometimes they will come to you when you are alone in the house, interacting with the spirit. When somebody is about to come, even with you before the person will knock, the spirit will now tell you that it's time for him to go. What you will now do, the spirit goes. Once he goes, somebody will knock on the other. Because spirit saw the person come, but they have not seen it. So sometimes they will come and reveal some certain things. Sometimes some of them will ask you, I will take you to travels for you to experience the words. The words. Why you cannot experience some of these things is the body. This your earthly body is so heavy that its drawing is made of earthly content. Yes, and therefore it will not be able to allow your spirit to accept, because the spirit contains the spark of Chukwu. So in the spiritual realm, and with the realm of the spirit, and the ones in the from Okike, in the realm of the spirit, you are unconscious. You know why? Because the realm of spirit is in the proximity with the light region, as in the spiritual realm, because when animistic realm is down, coming animistic realm is closer to the realm of the ethereal world. Now, but the spiritual realm is higher, is coming close to the throne of grace, throne of the light, where the elders, the principalities and powers, and the even closer to the primordial queen, the throne of the primordial. Now, but the throne of human spirit is still within the proximity of Chukwu Okepere, is within the proximity of the light. Let me put it this way. Now, because of the proximity of the light, he's unconscious. He lost consciousness. Ọ bụrụ na ebube mmụọ bịakwute gị, if you are not well prepared for that visit, you lose consciousness. You know, ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ na just common elemental beings visit them, common mammoths and spirits, they lose consciousness, they pass out. And when they catch aja dị iche iche, ọkwabazie gị na nwa ya pụtara na ya mara ebe a na ebe a amaka na ya agafechago sef wee chụchiga ya azụ. Ị ga na-afụ some people na-enye such testimony. Ihe niile ha na-enye testimony see hoping within this gross material. Ha agafebody the ethereal world. If you are permitted to move higher in the spiritual realm, and sometimes they permit you, once you come back to gross material world, they take the experience away from you, so that you will not be able to explain until you are permitted to speak. Now, but to hear what I want to tell you, and with the throne of the spirit, when I always mentioned in the light region, that region is for the purest spirits. Yes. Then only in I get from that right region, then with the realm of the luminous height. That is your word, light. God is light. And when anything darkness there. In the realm of the light, you will not even notice when they hear day and night. So the proximity of where the realm of the spirit is made it impossible for man to understand his existence or that he exists. So Chukwuoke in his infinite mercy understand that human spirit can never develop on their own and become conscious. That's why the even gross material world has been in existence thousands of years before man was permitted to be here. So now Chukwuoke in his infinite mercy now thought it wise to send human spirit out from the proximity of the spirit, for them to go down to gross material world, which is cooler. This world is very far cooler to compare the throne of the primordial, the light region. Now, once human spirit incarnate to this world, it become conscious. Or matter may exist, but in the proximity of the light, he lost consciousness. In them was the realms, kingdoms are many. So, and the world, the wonder world, the twilight world, everywhere. So, the spirits that dwell in those realms and kingdoms differ. And the Olohanine, it's like their powers in it. And the Olohanine is for the glory of God. So, it's a pity for anybody that is, say, operating in the lowest vibration to deny the existence of these spirits. I can tell you, whether you believe in their existence or not, it does never change anything that they exist. But if you come to conscious level that they exist, and you always invite them and call upon them to assist you, you benefit. But if you keep denying them because you have not seen them, it's their own cup of tea. Let me tell you, have you used your eye? Because some of you that you say that they have not seen. Have you used your eyes to see the sea breeze? No. What you can ever see is maybe wind. Those rough winds, you normally see there. I remember when we are small, you will be seeing those rough winds, yes. But air, you cannot use your gross material eye to see air. But I know you believe that air exists because you feel the gentle breeze, right? That's the only reason why, because you feel it. So but you will not use your eye to see air. But you believe that they exist because you feel it. But I can tell you there were thousands of things that exist in the universe as a whole, that exist, but you are not permitted to see them. Then whether you believe that they exist or you don't believe, is your own cup of tea. But I can tell you without missing words that spirits, thousands, millions of them exist from many realms. Their primary purpose is to thank Chukwuoke and for that creation. Now, if you build personal relation with them, then it's for your own benefit. They will keep blessing you, they keep strengthening you, and you will never go wrong if you build personal relations with them. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 Let us pray. Ekwem, 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 ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwuoke pray me here be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie, udo dịrị unu.